Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you back to this channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So here we have another interesting questions on the laws of logarithm. So let's look at it together. Now, we are asked to evaluate the following question. And the first question, we have it as 2 plus log 20 in base 10 minus log 2 in base 10. Now, when you see problems like this, you can see, if you look at this question carefully, you will discover that this 2 does not have any log attached to it. This also has. So it is expected that you improvise for these 2. And these 2 will look like this. Log 10 raised to power 2 in base 10. Because I told you that whenever you have something like this, let's say log a in base a is equals to 1. So similarly what I did here, assuming you have log in base 5 here, this will have been 5 raised to power 2 in base 5. But because we have log to be in base 10 here, we also have to improvise for this one in such a way that by the time we evaluate this one, we'll result back to 2. So this one is same thing as this. Good, let's proceed. And this will be log 20 in base 10 minus log 2 in base 10. So everything now has what? Log in common. That's in base 10. Now, we can evaluate this one to be single just like this one. So we can have it as log 100 in base 10 because 10 raised to power 2 gives 100 plus log 20 in base 10 minus log 2 in base 10. Now, they are now uniform. So we bring out one log out. So we'll have log in base 10 bracket 100 times 20 because addition changes to multiplication. Don't forget that. Then all over negative change to what? Division. That's 2. Okay? So 2 here 1, 2 here 10. That will be 100 times 10 and that will give us 1000 in base 10. But we can still change this 1000 to in such a way that the base will be 10. So this 1000 can be written like this. Log 10 raised to power 3 in base 3. So you can see just like what I did here the last time, I'm going to do the reverse here. So I'm going to take this power to the back of this log. I will have 3 log 10 in base 10. And log 10 in base 10, just like you have the number to be the same thing as the base, is simply going to be 1. So that will be 3 times 1, and that will give us 3 as our final answer to that question. Okay, so let's move over to the next one. We have log 45 in base 10 plus log 9 raised to power minus 1 in base 10. Okay, so minus log 2 raised to power minus 1 in base 10. Now, you can solve these problems in 2 ways. The first way is you can solve direct the way it is, or you abide by the power law of logarithm. So let's solve direct the way it is. Since they have log 10 in common, so we are going to have log in base 10 multiply, that's open a bracket, 45 times 9 raised to power minus 1 all over 2 raised to power minus 1. And this same thing as saying log in base 10, 45 multiplied by 1 over 9, because this means 1 over 9. Then all over 1 over 2. Are you with me? So let's divide. 9 here 1, 9 here 5. So we are going to have log 5 divided by 1 over 2. Don't forget they are in base 10. Okay? Now, we can reverse this. If you reverse this, you will have log in base 10, 5 multiplied by 2, because division changes to multiplication. So let me continue here. We have log 10 in base 10. And log 10 in base 10 is simply going to be equals to what? 1, according to the law. So the final answer to this problem, by the time we evaluate, is equals to 1. But we can solve in another way. Or, this is the question given to us. Log 45 in base 10 plus log 9 raised to power minus 1 in base 10 minus log 2 raised to power minus 1 in base 10. Okay, now you can take the power to the back of that log. So this is written as log 45 in base 10. Then minus times plus is what? Minus. So we are going to have 9 in base 10 here. Similarly, minus times minus will give plus. we are going to have log 2 in base 10. So you can see they are now uniform. Then you bring out one log out, which is going to be 45 multiplied by 2, that's addition, divided by what? 9, because we have a subtraction sign there. So you can see that. So 9 here 1, 9 here 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 will give 10. That will be log 10 in base 10, and that's equals to what? 1. So you can solve this problem, either you go direct the way it is, or you simply abide by the power law of logarithm. So that is how to solve the two problems. So when you have any question, if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. But don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. That is very, very important, please, because when you subscribe to my channel, it motivates me a lot. So you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification to receive any update from this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.